Hi everyone, I just received my December 2020 holiday SnackCrate box and I wanted to share it with you all. If you're not familiar with SnackCrate, I'll make sure to put more information about it in the down bar below. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started. So the SnackCrate box is a monthly subscription service that brings snacks from a new country to your doorstep every month, and it comes in 3 different sizes: the mini, the original, and the premium. So this, unlike the subscription service, was a limited edition one-time box for the holidays that included about 12 snacks from either 4 to 5 different countries, as well as a drink. So unlike the blue box that it usually comes in, this one is a fun green color. And once you open it up, this is what it looks like. So we have the holiday box here, and it just has a little description about each of the snacks that come in this holiday box. So we'll go ahead and put that to the side for now. As always, there's a fun sticker and wrapping inside. Alright, so the first item that I see are these Haribo gummies. The next item are these Walkers, the Power of Sausage Roll chips. The next item are these Diamond Bakery Hawaiian cookies in the candy cane. Next item I've seen before in my Japan Crate and Tokyo Treat box. It's the corn puff snacks from Japan. Next is the Cadbury Fudge Minis. The next item is this Maltesers reindeer. Then we have 2 chocolate covered umaibo, and these are from Japan. The next item is this chocolate covered gingerbread. Next is this Milka Santa, and it's in the milk chocolate flavor. The next item is this chocolate Santa lollipop. And we've got a Ritter Sport Bar, and this is in the flavor Coco's Macaron, which I believe is like coconut macaroon, if I'm not mistaken. Then we have a Twix Winter Spice Limited Edition. And the last item is this Apote Carnes Jewel Mist drink. And I believe this is like the drink of choice in Sweden. It's really popular around the holidays. So that was everything that I received in my holiday SnackCrate box. Again, this is one of those one-time boxes that they have on sale. So you have to be like one of the first either 5,000 or 10,000 people to sign up to get one or reserve one, and you'll get them sent to you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.